Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Mini Thunderdome. We are live. It is Monday, October 23rd, 2023. Hope everybody had a great weekend and ready to trade, nice and rested. Still feeling a little bit sick, but I'm medicated, so don't know how sick I am, but still not 100%. But let's get the show started. It is Monday, so always be careful on Monday. You don't want to start with a negative day. So don't be cautious. And as always, also, this is pure educational, it's pure entertainment. If you follow any of my trades, you're doing so at your own risk, not liable for any losses or damages to anyone's live account, evaluation, or PA. Know your product. If you're not comfortable with CL or you don't know CL, we got some new members here. Make sure you know the product before you trade. We are on December CL contract, crude, light sweet crude, WTI, month 12, December, or Z. All right, let's get started here. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. We on the private YouTube streaming, there is no live chat. So, all right, let's get started here. So, I just took a short and got stopped out. Might take it again. That was I'm sorry, not a short, a long. It's a long at 46. I had my stop at 36. And I had two targets. I had 59 and 72. Most looking at shorts, I did take a few shorts. That's why I said I'm on a short. My mind is on shorts. But we just had a big old rip up. So we may have changed trends. We may be going long, but we're still negative 86. So not completely convinced that we are going long. Most of the rips are to the downside, or the biggest rips are to the downside. So I don't want to get in front of a freight train. It made a new week low, and immediately it just, oh, I am sorry, I still have the disclaimer up, sorry about that. So it made a triple bottom, and it just kept on ripping up every time. So it seems like they may be rejecting being under 87. So that's why I decided to go and take a long. So we could be going sideways, which is always a dangerous market to trade because we don't know where the outside is, right? So I'm going to start being very cautious here. I am already with some trips. I already have some profits. All right, so let's see how it reacts at 87.23. It could act as support. As we can see here, there's a lot of trades going on right here, or a lot of trades exchanged hands. So that's what causes a support and resistance area, right? It's an area that was traded successfully, and we do have POC at 22, and we have VWAP at 18. Actually, that is too high, but 23. So it's either going to go and bounce off of here and go all the way up to 70, or we're going to go and make a new solid low. So most of my targets are to the downside. I've had 86.65 since last week. So that could be a hot target this morning. All right. So let's see if it has 10 more ticks here and it bounces, or it's going to go up to 50 and then we're going to go and rip all the way down. So either it's going to go up, it's going to go down to here, or we're already going to go from here to 50 and then come all the way down. So there could be a short opportunity at 50, but you got to be completely under leverage because you may have to have a long stop. So if I was to go short at 50, I have to have my stop above 67. I'm tempted to take a scalp here. We're right at 76 FIBO. As I said it, see, there it goes. Oh man, I could have had a 10 ticker right there. Look at that. Yep, 15 ticker. I almost went for it. Wow, that ripped right through. Yeah, it was showing signs. If I wasn't streaming, I would have gone for it. But the streaming, I think in my head, and then I have to think out loud and tell you what I'm thinking to you guys. So that slows me down. But if I wasn't streaming, I would have gone. I would have taken it. Maybe I would have gone scalped. If you don't know what a scalp is when you get caught in between the bid and the ask. That's how a market maker makes money out of you. All right, so let's see how it reacts here. So it may just start to go and rip and start testing 87, or we're gonna go and pull back to the 40s a little bit and boom, go down. So either we're gonna rip. So now that we're down here, everything has changed. So we have three options here. So either we're gonna go back to 40, go and test it, come all the way down, or we're gonna go and just start to rip up, or it's gonna go and test 87 and then maybe come back up here and start going down. All right, I'm gonna take a quick long. I'm gonna take a quick long here. High risk trade because they may want to go and test 87. I don't want to move it all the way down to 87 because I am upside down on my risk versus reward. So I'm just looking for a bounce of POC and VWAP. I'm looking back. I'm looking for a rotation back up. Oh, come on. No, it's going to take me out. I think it's going to go and test 87. There it is. I may still take it here. Oh, now it moved too much. Oh, bummer. I should have given myself a little more room. But I didn't want to give so much money back of my chips. I didn't want to give a lot of chips back, but I was too tight and I paid for it. So I was just looking for a scalp, but if it again, if it is to go up, it's going to go up either up to 50 or to 60. Or it could stop at the 40s. All right, I'm going to try it one more time, but I'm going to go and wait to get filled. Let's see if it wants to go and bounce off of this area here. Again, now we're under, but this here is also a lot of support. Look at that. Ah, maybe it's going to go and test 87. All right, now I don't like it anymore. I'm seeing sellers, so it may want to test 87. And then it will bounce off of that if it finds momentum, and then it will go and maybe test the 20s. All right, if I see buyers step in again, I may still take a long here at 28. So not a lot of price discovery. So on Friday we traded within the range of Thursday, and today we're still inside of that range. So basically anything can happen. But I think it should go and test 86, but I'm a day trader, so I go with the flow. If it's showing me that I can get a scalp 20, 30 points up, I'll take it, right? It's not. But longs is going to be only scalps. Shorts, I'm going to be going for long targets. So battle of POC is happening right now. There still may be a scalp at 22, but I mean, sorry, from 28. I'm not decided not to. I don't want to take it. They may be trapping buyers. Oh, and there it is. So if it was to start to rip up, my true target in this trade, if I was to take a long, would be 88.90. So it would have been long at 28, but you have to have your stop underneath 87. All right, so here we are. What's going to happen here? Is it going to go and rip up? Are we done? Now this, we could be starting a wave 2 down. Yeah, but nothing is clear. Nothing is clear because we are on a sideways market. So if you are on a sideways market, it should go and test either 55, 63, 80 to come down, or it should test 87. Where are you? Or 86.86. So if your data is not matching mine, that's because of the YouTube anywhere between 3 to 10-second delay. We are done with major reports. There's nothing else till tomorrow. All right, hidden order, try to fill here. Also, a lot of indecision on the major indexes. Yes, was negative and it went into positive. Actually, a big rip up at the opening. $10 points up to, wow, yeah. 15 points up. 10 negative to 15 positive. All right, we are at 76 feeble of the RTH. There could be a short opportunity here, but I'm not going to take it because I would have to be above 50 on my stop, and I don't want to do a 20-point stop. But that would be a short all the way to 87. That would have been from there all the way down to 87. There's interest growing at 10. There's interest at 87, but not a lot of institutional at those levels. Mostly small lot. So institutional have been flat for the past 30 minutes. So it looks like they may have taken most of their trades already. And now they may be waiting for some geopolitical, or they're done till the afternoon. But we never know, right? Just speculation. There's some selling, but it's getting absorbed. We are at POC and VWAP again, right in the middle. Let's see who takes control. All right, just geopolitical coming out. Hamas saying that they may release 50 hostages with dual citizenship. So let's see if this will affect the market. Already some buying happening, but it's getting absorbed again. Yeah, the official news is senior Israeli official says, citing conversation between the U.S. and Qatar, that Hamas could possibly release circa 50 dual national hostages, and that is coming out of New York Times. Yeah, not much is happening. Something big is going to happen. We may get a big pop here. That's the great thing about crude, is that it gives you all of these clues. It gives you clues. Here comes the buyers. So definitely looks like more selling, right? More selling. But all three lows are very weak. Are very weak. I'm tempted to take a scalp long here. All right, I'm just going to take a quick little scalp long. If it fills me, it may have moved already. I was going to go for a 43. Just and have a runner go all the way to 50. Let's see if it fills me. You know, actually, I'm going to get even lower here. It may have moved already. This is a high risk trade because I'm right above. Already moved. So full target is 50. I'm out. So full target is 50. And there it is. Bummer. If it keeps going, it can turn into a wave 3 and go all the way to 70. And then maybe bounce off of that and then find support again and go all the way to that 90. So I didn't want to chase it, even though it was a good little trade. So either we'll keep going or it's going to go and test 30 again to go and launch and finish wave 3. So we killed one higher, actually 2 already, almost 3, right? So higher low. If we kill 65, the trend may have changed. And we broke out of the flag pattern. But this is crucial. It has to kill this higher low, right? Because it's lower than this, so it's a higher low. Always look at the back end, not at the front end. All right, we just had 100 iceberg hit at 41. So that could be a buy. That's what they would need to go and take it all the way up to 65 and beyond. But you can't trust an iceberg. All right. I'm gonna go for it. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if it still wants to keep ripping up. I may have to get under 36 because we do have 7.6 FIBO at 37. Come on, buyers. Get in there. All right, another iceberg. Oh, nope. Oh, man. All right, if it goes back up, I'm going to go and buy another 3. Well, it's going to take me out. Man. For a second, it looked like buyers were stepping in. Oh, frustrating. Yeah, I'm a little bit too slow this morning. Got a little bit too tight. When I should get in, I don't. And when I do, I'm getting stopped out. So I'm not going with my initial gut. That is the problem. So I need to keep that in mind and just start going for it. All right, I need to start being a little quicker here. But I can't afford to get stopped out anymore, otherwise I'm going to go negative. So here we're back to the mid again. So it keeps rejecting these higher prices here. All of this sell pressure. So outside in. Outside in. And here they are ripping down. Let's see if I find support at 23. Yeah, I'm getting chopped up in the outside in. I'm getting tricked. Man, here they are selling. Right at the middle again. If it can't hold this, we're going all the way down to 86.90. Oh, my throat. Yeah, chop, chop, chop. So market opened up at 6 o'clock. That's what time crude opens, if you don't know, or 9 a.m. Eastern time. Down, chop up, chop down, chop up, chop down, up, and now we're stuck in the middle. All right, iceberg trying to get filled. Oh, they got filled. That's a 60 iceberg. Yeah, from here it's 50-50. So I'm either gonna go and take a short at 50 or go and take a long at 87.02. I'm gonna be patient and just wait for it. But it could start to go and make its way down at 40. But I'm just gonna wait for it. I'm not gonna do anything. So it may start from here already. Or it's making its way up to 50. All right, here we go. So there's interest at 50. There's about 37 contracts waiting on the book, but no institutional, all small lot. And then at 52, there are 33 and 10 institutional. So it looks like most institutional Orders in the book are on the outside. All right, guys. Let's had one of our members ask, no NQ trading. It's all over my website. It's in every post that I make. I only trade crude. NQ is too choppy, a lot of robots. I only trade crude. I only focus in one instrument. You don't want to be multitasking, trading various instruments. You want to be able to learn the movement of one of them, learn their pattern, learn what affects them. You can't be scattered unless you have a trading robot. Then that's something completely different. But if you're trading manually, focus in one contract. If you're losing money and you're trading many instruments, maybe that's the reason why you are losing money. There's just too much information on every single instrument. How are you going to trade several? That is impossible unless you have people helping you and you have alarms going off when it reaches certain levels or whatever you have set up. But trading, if you're trading by yourself without a friend or you hired a team of traders, you cannot be trading more than one instrument. Unless you're looking only at the dome and you're looking for big orders being hit. That's how a big prop trader does. He's looking only at domes and he's looking for orders at the bid and the ask. If you're a dome trader, then you can. But if you're a technical analysis trader and you're looking for patterns and you're looking for support and resistance area trading, I don't suggest it. You're going to get hurt. You're going to get hurt. You already have less information than the big boys, and now you think you're hot stuff and you could trade 2-3 instruments at the same time. Look at that. So the short might have been at it hit 50. I was talking, I didn't pay attention. Bummer. Yeah, it went short right at 50. I think I missed it. So if you're going to trade your NQ, trade NQ only. But I'm sorry, I don't trade NQ. I made it clear in my website. I made it clear all of my posts. It says crude oil. So this is where it's at. This is where the opportunity are at. All right, I'm going to take a scalp long here. Let's see if we can go and rip this up again. It just seems like it wants to go and break the upside of this flag pattern. It keeps taking me out. This is annoying. Again, keep getting trapped. All right, I'm gonna give myself a little more room here, but it seems like I'm getting trapped, and I'm gonna go and add if it goes all the way up, back up again. I just saw a big order come in. The way it bounced off of 50 was a weak bounce. But I may have gone trapped. And if I get stopped out, I'm going to go negative. Shoot. Yeah. Come on, buyers. Step in. Yeah, that was a weak hit at 50. Come on, buyers. Let's go. Come on, step in. All right. They're stepping in, but not enough. It's getting absorbed. All right, I need to go and do a full target here because I'm upside down on my risk versus reward. All right, here we go. Here's some buying. No, got absorbed again. Here we go. Come on, buyers, get in there. No, absorbed again. So it keeps attacking this area. That's why I went long again. Here we go. So we need to hot knife right through butter at 36. Got a hot knife 36. All right, if I get filled, I'm going to go and clear 3 at 50. Come on, buyers, get in there. And I'm going to go and either clear the rest at 61 or at 65. Me to hot knife 40. Let's go. Seller stepped in. I'm done. Yep. It's coming back down. Big sell order right at 40. It's going to take me out. If I have a chance, I'm going to go and try to exit. Big sell order. Big sell order. I might have to, yeah, I think I might have to get out with some losses here. Yeah, I'm going to have to go and assume a $300 loss. And I may do a reversal. If it can't hold 21, it's going to go all the way down to 12. So it looks like a small ABC here. Oh, I need to find support here. Go and test 33 or 37. Yeah, most dangerous days, chop. You don't know what is the outside and what is the inside. Come on, get me out, get me out. Let's see if I get lucky here. 36. I may have to get out. Nope. They're selling. So again, the clue of the chop was that we opened up inside of Thursday profile. Friday also opened up, and it did breach Thursday's high, but immediately they started selling. It's going to take me out. Now I'm going to go negative. Oh, God. $50. I'm going to give myself, well, I was going to give myself 3 more ticks. All right, I'm gonna go and have to take a break. Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to trade the whole afternoon to make this money back, because I'm gonna take a break. So, not a whole lot negative, but enough to piss me off. All right, I'm going to take one last trade here. One last trade. And then if it doesn't work out, I'm going to go and take a break. Ooh, what happened there? What the hell is that? What? What was that? How did I do that? All right, let's see if we could do a big rip up. I still believe that it wants to go and retest this area here. Everything is showing. Delta. Let's see if FIBO 50. So don't want to go into tilt. Need to keep my cool. I'm sticking to my game plan, what the market is showing, but they could be trapping sellers. This goes my way, I'll be back in profits. Now I'm negative. I don't want to add, but if I wasn't negative, I would have added another 3 at 28. But I don't want to make a bad day into a horrible day. I'm negative. Don't want to go into tilt. Don't want to revenge trade. Oh, iceberg. It's going to be a big one. 100 iceberg. Right at 18. Maybe this is what they need to start momentum up. 137 iceberg at 17. Oh, come on. I'll give myself a little more room here. Come on, bounce, bounce. Shit. So either that's a sell iceberg or it created a vacuum. Yeah, this is turning to a shit day. All right, you can't win them all. Big sell order. All right, guys, I'm going to be done. I'm going to go and take a long break, walk Benny, and come back and make my money. All right, guys. I'll stick around for a few minutes more, but I am done trading for now. Oh, I got completely tricked by the... Yeah. Fuck. Yeah. I'm negative $1,000. Not a whole lot, but I do not like to start Monday negative. I should have traded MCL and kept my profits. Bummer. Big buy order. So this could be a clue here. If they hold 86 and it rips up, that iceberg was a buy, created a vacuum. Another iceberg just hit a 60 iceberg at 87 even. You know what? Here, I'm gonna go and take a little break, and I'll be back. Let's see if I can make this money back. All right, I'll give you guys another half hour. Let's see, but it could be a long out of here, all the way up to 40. But I'm gonna go and take a break. I'll be back, guys. I'll be back. All right. Yeah. So I didn't follow my own rule. I was mulling over what I did wrong, and I told myself, I even think I said it out loud, I'm gonna go short at 50 or long at 87, and I didn't. I didn't wait, and I took trades in the middle. So I already journaled that. I need to follow my own rules. I didn't follow, and I got my butt kicked. Right? I said I was going to go short at 50. I didn't. I kept on getting faked out that it was going to go and break, and the whole time was just trap, trap, trap. And here we are underneath 87. So the whole time was short at 50, short at 50. And now we are seeing institutional trading. So this, all of this here is all institutional. They sold about 700 contracts. So here we are at the target that I talked about this morning, 86, 65, 64 area. So that is hit. So it may want to do a bounce and go and test 83 to keep going down. Next target I have is 53. And then we still have open gap. From last week. Man, we have we still have open gap on the upside too. All right, so let's see how it deals with 85. So as I mentioned, all of that looked like all weak lows. So those icebergs were sell icebergs. So there could be a short at the 80s, maybe 90. So there could be a short from anywhere up here. I believe that it may want to do a FIBO off of that bar there. So yeah, I would I will not take a blind trade, but I would to be safe, I would wait until here. But it may want to go and rip and hit 50 already. So I need to be very careful now. I don't want to dig myself a deep hole here on a Monday. All right, 100 iceberg. Oh, another 200 icebergs. 100 each. So I also do have a whole bunch of targets to the downside. Next major one will either be 23 or 86.10. How big of a range do we have already? 167. RTH 154. Not 100, I'm sorry, 1.54. $1.54. And here they go. Boom. Wow. Straight past 50. I went right through. Yeah, they were trapping buyers. I got trapped. So all of this here is all targets. Almost hit already. So there could be another short from here. All the way down to 86. I'm tempted to continue here on the short. But it may want to do a pullback. So high risk trade here. High risk trade. I'm going to scratch that. But it may want to start going down again at 40. I may go for, let's see. Let's see. Oh, what happened? Oh, I turned it off by mistake. Oh my God, what did I do? I had it on and I missed my fill. All right, I'm going to take a short from here. Come on, let me in. Come on. Wow, having a horrible day. Right, I'm going to look for one more trade. Otherwise, I'm done. I'm just going to go and take the loss for the day. You can't win them all. I'm going to go and cap my loss at 2,000. Tough day. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have been trading. Maybe I'm still being affected by this cold, but can't give excuses. That was a major target, so we could be done on the downside. That's 65, but all the way down to 28, we have a beginning of a gap closure at 86.8. So I took the short because of the FIBO 23. I did see sells, and if they're gonna hold the market, they're gonna hold the market at 23 or 38, and then they're gonna put everything at 50 because it could start a chain reaction at 61 or 76 to make the market go all the way back up. So I said that they might do a full pullback on this candle, and they did. But I am not upset that I took that trade. I did follow my rules, but my rules are not paying out today. You can't win them all. I mean, I haven't had one loss this whole month yet. On the days I've gone negative, I've made it back, so can't force. So if I have to take a loss, I'll take a loss. But don't want to go into revenge trading. Don't want to go into tilt. I got to keep telling myself that. Because the monkey brain, oh, you got to make it back. Got to make it back. If you don't make it back, you're a loser. You lost. So I have to keep telling myself, no, it's okay. Got to make sure that I'm seeing the clues and taking the trades. Follow my rules. So are we done here, or is it going to go and try to go and test that 85 area? All right. I'm going to go and take a trade off of the 80s. Otherwise, I'm not going to do anything. I only have one more trade left. So either follow my rules, either I take a trade short from here, or I take a long from somewhere in here. You need to relax. If you feel yourself, you're getting too excited, I put my hand, I'm getting excited now because I am on a losing day. So I put my hand in my heart and I try to feel my heart and I bring down my heartbeat, calm down. Because all of this is emotion, right? We feed off of emotion. And you don't want to make a habit of feeding off of your emotion. Otherwise you keep trying to chase that feeling, that high. Even though it's a loss, it's still exciting. You're still, so calm down, relax. You could always make your money back. As they say, lose the battle, but don't lose the war. If you go and tilt, you blow your account. So there could be a short from here. I'm gonna follow my rules, and I'm just gonna wait. But there could be a short now from 54. If I wasn't negative, I would have thought about taking a short here at 54 or 55 to go all the way down and test the box. But I don't want to take a trade in the middle. I'm going to wait for here or here. I'm going to follow my rules. But there could be a short all the way down. So it went and it did a pull back on the candle. Pull back in the candle. And it can go short. Or if it's finding support, now this could be an ABC up also. So it would be this and then a long from 56 all the way up to the 80s. If I was to take one, I would go with the long, but already moved. So all the way down to 83 or to 90. So the true ABC is down here, but the entry would have been F56. So I'm going to look for a fail somewhere in here. But any short in here, I have to have a stop above 87, right? All right, now I'm a lot calmer. So went all the way up to 76. Are we done? Could be, but I want to see a test at least of 82. But it may have started already to come down. So there's a lot of interest growing at 80, but a lot of it is not institutional, all small lot traders. So this can be a wave 4 back up. So this could be a wave 1, 2, then 3, all the way up, or in a smaller time frame, it would have started from here, and this could be a wave 4 pullback, but it's not clear. I am not convinced. I'm more convinced that this is a wave 3 to go all the way up to 80. So it looked like it was going to go short, but I wouldn't have gone in that. Again, if I would have thought about a trade, I would have gone long at 56. And first target would be 83. So there's showing signs that it may want to go long and finish this. Yeah, there could be a scalp from 71. Yeah, I just need to be patient. Wait for that buck to come in sight. Up in my perch, just waiting. Nice and quietly. But there could be a long starting here at 71. But you get out your stop underneath 60. Not a recommendation, just an observation. You have to have your stop. Oops, didn't want to do that. You gotta have your stop underneath here to go all the way up somewhere in this box. But it could end at 80. So it could all end right here on this long, so it could just be a scalp. It looks like we're going sideways again. They're trapping. All right, I've been streaming already for an hour and 36 minutes. Now, if they were able to hold it, then they started to go down already, and it's gonna go and test this new low here. So then it would have been a short all the way down here. Again, I'm not gonna take anything, but right now it's 50-50. Looks like a trap. I'm gonna stay out. So this could turn here into support. So it went up. Where did it go? How far up? 77. Maybe that was it. Maybe they front run it and started selling. So that's the thing with CL. They go and front run a lot because a lot of people get in line before to make sure that they get filled, and that can start momentum. But all looks like traps. And I fell enough. I got trapped enough this morning. So not gonna trade just for the sake of trading. I need to wait and be patient. So as a scalper, you cannot be stuck on a bias, but you need to have your targets, right? So market was short, but I was seeing opportunities to go long, to scalp, and I was taking it. But as I said this morning, market is negative. All the rips are to the downside, but I was seeing opportunities to go long, and that's why I did take my longs. Looks like they may want to finish this 80. So we have started some price discovery on the downside. What does that mean? Is that the market started to make new lows. So it's discovering new prices. So I'm looking for a pullback to the 80s to then start discovering new prices again. Or it could be done at that 77 and it may just start ripping down. Right? We may see a test of 33 here. $38. It could be doing a wave 3 all the way down to 33. A lot of interest at 30, and half of it is institutional. I'm going to take a scalp up, I think. I'm going to take a scalp up. Come on. Let's see if I can make some of this money back. Seems like it found support right here. Whoops, I don't want to do that. As you can see, there's a lot of buying right there. Come on. May even go all the way up to 80. Wish I had a runner. Come on, buyers. I'm going to add another 3. Let's go. Last trade. Last trade of the day. If I get stopped out, I'm done. I'm just going to go and take the loss. Come on, buyers. And if I do get filled, I'm going to lower my exit. I'm going to exit at 61. So I'm just looking for either a wave C up or an ABC up. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Give me back my money. I think it's going to go. Come on, baby. Go, 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 go. Come on, buyers. Keep going. Keep going. Need to hot knife 53. If we could do that, it's going to go right into target. I'm going to reduce my risk here. Now that I have 6. Come on. It may go all, go, 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 go. Hit it. Get me out, get me out. There's interest at 64. My true target would have been 64, but I'm just trying to front run. Oh, a little bit of selling. Here we go, 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 go. Get me out, get me out, get me out. Interest at 60 is growing. Come on, buyers. You're not done. So this may be the rip all the way up to 80. So I just want to be right on top of that hot box. Go, go. Here it is. Here it is. Go, go. Get me out, get me out, get me out. Oh, my God. 1 tick. Yes. Yes. All right. All right. Here we go. Yeah, it sure looked like it was finding support. So I took an ABC trade up, but I didn't clear the true target would have been up here. But again, I'm just trying to scout my way back up into profits. But a true ABC would be all the way up to 80. So it may have more. But because I doubled up, I didn't need to go and see 80. All right. That was a nice little trade. All right, starting to feel better now. I didn't follow the rules that I said I was going to go short here or long here, but I saw signs and I needed to take that. So it may want to do a small little ABC in a smaller time frame to go and launch again. Or it found resistance up here at 60, and that's why I got out at 60, because this could have been resistance. So I was not willing to take a chance. So I may want to go and test 25 to launch again. But that would mean making a new low. Yeah, that was a great exit. I would have been getting close to getting stopped out. So it could bounce off of 25. So in a smaller time frame, this could be a wave 3. So we are on a inside day, so chances are that most of the trades are being set on a smaller time frame. Not a whole lot of institutional trading, so most of the people that are taking trades are looking at a 15-minute chart and lower. So anytime the day is ripping, you have these big moves, then you have to look at 1 hour, 4 hour, or daily. When it inside day or small moves, I suggest from 15 under. Let's see what happens here. There we go. 25. So now here we're inside of that box. Now I could start maybe looking for a pullback, but how I would want to see it. So we just hit another target, if you recall, I said I had a target at 23. I have a target at 11 and then one at 07. So we just hit that 23. So I'm going to be looking for longs from here, right there. But it could start ripping up already. We did hit a major target. So I'm tempted to take a scalp up. All right, I'm going to take a scalp up. Let's see. Oh, it passed it. Let's see if I can get filled here. I need to make sure that I'm under the low. And I'm just going to go for a scalp up. Come on, go, 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 go. Oh, go, go. Ooh. Yes! Almost back to profits. That's how it's done. Almost back to profits. So it may go all the way up to 80. We just hit a major target. I should have left a runner because it may go all the way up to 86. Or it may want to finish this and go and test 87. I'm out. All right, a little bit more and I'm back in profits. Kept my composure, kept it cool, relaxed my heart. I'm not drinking any coffee. If you find yourself getting agitated, maybe you're drinking too much coffee. If you have a habit, maybe just have decaf. You know, it's like some people go and drink non-alcoholic beer because they have, you know, the addiction to just holding something. So maybe go and try decaf coffee. All right. Oh, I'm tempted to take a little short here. Tempted to take a little scalp south. Another 10-pointer. All right, I'm going to go for it. Just a scalp. Just a scalp. If I see a 50 or a 51, I'm out. So, come on. I just want to see a test of the new low. Just a test of the new low. Oh, here comes buying. Here comes buying. Ooh. All right, I may be in trouble here. Come on, sellers. I may have to exit at 29. So my truth target on this, if I was to go short, is to go and test this area here. Where, unlock right here. From here to here. But I'm just trying to scout my way back to profits, so I am upside down risk versus reward, so it's a high risk trade. But I'm seeing signs of just a pullback. Come on. There's interest at 30. Oh, keep going, keep going, keep going. Here we go, 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 go. Get me out, get me out. Come on, got a little more in you. Oh, 29. Yes, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Go, 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 go. Come on, yes. All right. $200 more and I'm back in profits. Come back, kid. Yes. That's how it's done. Keep your cool. Oh, I was negative 1,500. Now I'm negative $200 plus commissions. Oh, I had it. There it is, 16. Oh, bummer. Oh my God. There it is. Nice little target. That's how I make my money back, guys. I don't go into tilt. The only time I've kind of revenge trading is when I added the 6, but I was seeing clues that I could scalp that. Kept my cool, relaxed. Didn't FOMO trade, didn't revenge trade. Your biggest enemy is you. You are your worst enemy. It may want to keep going. It may want to keep going. All right, I'm going to take a one lot south here. Just a one lot south. I'm not completely sold. I'm going to take a one lot south. Again, I'm trying to test 86. Trying to test 86. Come on, keep going. But I am afraid of a full pullback. But true target would be 85.96. But I'm going to exit a little. I'm going to exit right here at that 11 target of mine. So if I was full boat on 3, I would already be in profits, but it just made a new low. It may want to do a full pullback, so I'm not going to go and risk a 3 lot. but this could be the end, and from here we may go all the way back up to 80. So there may be a long all the way to 80. All right, so I'm risking 90 to make 130. So I have a target. I'm going with the trend. Market made a new low, bounced back up. So now I'm looking for a continuance to my target. Here we go, 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 go. Ooh, some buyers stepped in. I'm tempted to get out here. Go, go, go. Yeah, oh my God, one tick. Oh, one tick. Oh my God, it could be done. Oh, it hit 11 and it didn't fill me. Ah. Did it hit 11? It hit 12. That could be it. Oh my God. Maybe I should have front run that target. All right, I'm getting out. Make $100. It may be done though. Ah, it's done. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. Oh my God, one tick. Bummer. Don't hit 11 now. I'll be bumped out. Oh, here it is. Gonna hit 11. Yeah. All right. I still made profits. Not bad. So we could be done here, and it may rip all the way up. It may go all the way up to 80. There's 2 hours left of trading in the cash pit. So the true trade was that short from 50. That was the true trade. Short at 87.50. I believe I was talking and I missed it. So that would have been the true trade. So not a great new low here. So we could be done. One tick away from hitting major target. So it could be done. So now I need to start focusing on longs. But again, longs, I'm going against the trend, against the rips. Oh, look at that. It may want to test that 07. So this here should all be support. Oh, look at that. It's going to hit 11. So, oh, there it is, 11. All right, I'm not upset. I'm coming back from losses, so but I can't take any blind trades. So we have the gap is from when the gap is from, I believe it's from Thursday. Yeah, I think it's from Thursday. It's finding buyers. It may launch. So I'm going to be looking for a long from here. This is where I'm looking for a long from, right there. So market is negative $2.16. We may be done on the downside. Iceberg. Oh, hidden order. So someone may be trying to protect this area. Tough start of a Monday. So either I should just call it quits and have a very small loss and say my praises and thank my blessings, or I go and take a trade and try to go back into profits. But if I get stopped out, then I'm like back into negative again. But I can't be scared out of a trade. So if I do take a trade, I need to commit. All right, this could be the bounce. So target hit 11. I am tempted to take the long here on this target. I have a feeling that we could be done and they're front running. Eight. All right, high risk trade. I'm going to go long. High risk trade. High risk trade. High risk trade. I may exit everything at 25. So it's a weak new low. I'm seeing buyers step in. All right. 31. Here we go. Come on, buyers. Let's go. Let's go. So high risk trade. It still hasn't finished tagging 86. I front run it and I got maybe in trouble here. I have to give myself a little more room here. I may be in trouble. All right, it's tapping in into the So either I could exit and scratch the trade. I think he'll give me a chance to scratch, or I can go and see if we're done here at 86. So decision time here on my part. Either I exit because it may want to gobble up this this open gap. That was a solid new low. Iceberg just hit the 50 iceberg at 06. All right, I'm going to exit at 26. Let's see if we have a 24-point pullback. Another iceberg. So are they trying to protect 86, or are they trying to go and finish this gap? The gap is done all the way down at 85.50. Do we have another 50 points down? New low. Oof. That 96 target hit. I'm going to give myself 2 more ticks here. Yeah, I think I'm in trouble. They are hitting this they're hitting the gap pretty hard. So I do have another target on the downside of 85.41. But that's a lot of points. 3 points all the way down. Yeah, can never say no. The market wants to go. It will go. Stop filled. We have POC of the 13th at 81. Let's see if that holds. They may front run this. Oh, another iceberg. So they're either trying to finish this gap closure, or they're trying to block from going further down. So the iceberg came all the way down from 86.10. So someone was trying to go long where I went long, and then they lowered to 4, raised it to 5, lowered it to 4, raised it to 6, and then they finally decided to get filled at 85. All right, I'm going to try my last trade up. It's going to be my last trade up. And if I get stopped out, I'm done. I'm done for the day. It's going to go and take my loss. Tried my best. Last trade, so risking 240 to make 600. So I have a hot, nice 86 with momentum. I may raise my target. May raise it all the way up to 15. Oh. I'm seeing signs of sellers again. All right, I'm going to exit. I could be wrong. I'm going to exit. All right, I'm going to take a short. High risk trade right at the low. Very high risk trade. Very high risk trade. Oh, fill me. Extremely high risk trade. Go, 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 go. Yes, go, 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 go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh my God. No way. Oh, that almost hit me. Oh my God. Oh no. Is it done? Come on, scale me out, scale me out. Ah, I think it's done. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Oh. I'm getting out with 2. Wow, that almost got me. So see how I flipped real quick? I saw signs that they were trying to sell. Oh, it's going to hit my target. So I'm looking for a full gap closure here. but it could bounce off of anywhere between oops, I'm out of it. Could bounce anywhere between here. Anywhere between here, it could bounce. Whole bunch of icebergs. Oh no, just one. No, that is a new one. Hold on. Yeah, that's a new one. So we just had another 50, an 86, and now one that's trying to get filled at 74. This got another one filled 75. Are they blocking? I think they're blocking. All right, I'm going to exit. They might be blocking. Where's that iceberg? It's at 74. I'm getting out. If I can. I'll lose commission with one. They could be blocking. We may be done here. Get me out. There could be a launch from 74. There could be a launch from 74. Man, that was close. They may be done filling this gap. So true target in this short is a gap closure at 53. The gap actually closes at 50, but it could stop at 70. So it could fill this iceberg and launch. I'm going to take a scalp at 70. High risk trade. A blind high risk trade. Or it could be done already and it's going up. High risk trade, blind trade. And I'm going to try to hold on all the way to 86. So 25 points up. It may have started already. Oh, they raised the iceberg. They are trying to get filled. Now it's at 81. They raised it. So, yeah. It may have started. So, a test of 86. Oh, man. It may have started. Yep. Now I'm afraid to take it. Yeah, I'm gonna scratch it. It may have started. So the iceberg is at 81 already. 72 contracts filled. 100 iceberg. And oh, they hit another one that was hidden in order. This could be the long. So are they trying to protect this area, or are they selling for this market to go and close the gap? Now with this other 100, I cannot take a long. Oh, another iceberg. What are they trying to do here? So that's fine. You know what? It's a long. It's a long. Oh my God. I believe they are launching. What is that? That's 1.25, 3.25, 425, and with this other one that's 40. That's 500 contracts. I think they are gonna go and launch. All right, I'm gonna take. This is my last trade of the day. Last trade. Last trade. That's it. And I'm gonna do a very small stop. Oh, they raised it and got filled. Okay, so the 500 is done. Yeah, here's the test of 86. Okay, so it looks like all of these were buy icebergs and they're done. Yeah, they're done. We may rip all the way back up to 86.50. Yeah, a lot of buying. This could be the end on the downside. Yep. Oh man, I should have just taken it. I was too tight. Yeah, it's 100, 200, 300, 400. It's actually 545. And we did a half gap closures, so we could be done. Signs are showing that we are done, and we may do a pullback. We may do a pullback at least all the way to 36 or to 50. Anywhere up here. So now I'm gonna hunt for signs. See if it will want to do a pullback down to 80. I may re-enter. High risk trade. Market still has an open gap. All right, I'm gonna go for it. Last trade of the day. Last trade. I'm looking for a good fill. I don't want to go and chase it. I could have missed it already, but I want to have a small stop. I need to be under the low, which is at 73. Whoa, that was a lot. Oh wow. I did not like how I got filled. I think I'm in trouble. That that had impulse. I wanted a small fill, not a big move. That was impulsive. That was impulsive. I'm worried. That was a sell order of 85 contracts. No. Yeah. That was it. That's not how I wanted it to get filled. That's impulsive. I'm in trouble. All right, I'm done, guys. That's it. I tried. I tried. Wow. That was impulsive. I'm just going to take the loss. I'm just going to take the loss. That's it. That was impulsive. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Here we go. Whoa. We find buyers here again. It may take me out. Come on, buyers. Wow. Sure, like that's a lot of buying pressure. Maybe this was just a vacuum. I'm gonna give myself one more tick here, just in case it wants to do a new shallow weak low. Buyers are trying to step in, but they're getting absorbed. No, no, it's gonna take me out. All right, guys, I'm done. That's it. Wow, and gap closure, big time. Whoa, beyond. And it hit my other target of 40. Wow, all in one take. Huge. Wow, they took that all the way. So all down targets hit. All right, guys, I'm done. That's it. So ending up with 900 negative. That's better than 1500. I tried. Wow, that was a beautiful take. Yeah, the way it filled me, I knew I was in trouble. I was looking, I was looking for a weak fill, not a 7 point under fill. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go and take this loss. Almost got back too positive, but today is not the day. I'm gonna lick my wounds and try to make my money back tomorrow. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you live in the Thunderdome. Thank you. We'll see you guys tomorrow.